All right, Tesla fam, let's dive into how you can actually maximize the efficiency of, Tesla's heat pump. Okay? So, this feature is a key for better energy use, especially on cold weather. So, let's make sure that you're actually getting the most out of it. So, first things first, guys, I want you to understand the role of the heat pump. So, Tesla's heat pump basically efficiently, manages the cabin temperature by using less energy to heat or cool the vehicle. So it replaces the older resistance heater, making your Tesla more energy efficient in colder climates. So to actually get the most efficiency out of the heat pump, you want to use Tesla's scheduled preconditioning. Okay, so just set it to preheat, preheat the cabin while the car is still plugged in. So this way what happens, guys, is that your car is warmed up without draining your battery, right? And guys, you also want to keep the cabin temperature at a moderate level. Avoid actually cranking it up too high, as this can actually make the heat pump work harder. You just want to aim for comfort rather than extreme warmth to actually you know optimize the battery usage, right? So another thing, guys, I want you to do is I want you to utilize the climate control smart features. So Tesla's automatic climate control actually adjusts the temperatures for you, and you just want to let it automatically regulate based on your preferences, okay, instead of manually changing settings. So this actually helps the heat pump operate more efficiently. And if possible, guys, if possible, I want you to do this. I want you to park your Tesla in a sheltered area like a garage, right? This helps the heat pump perform better because it doesn't have to work as hard to heat the cabin in extremely cold weather, guys, okay? And that's it, guys. You can maximize your heat pump's efficiency and enjoy a more comfortable, energy efficient ride, guys. Guys, make sure you hit that link in the description, guys, to find out ways to upgrade your ride even further. And also, make sure you subscribe to the channel so you get notified of the next video. And I can see you guys in the next one.